The world has gone soft, and men are breaking, not because they're evil, but because they are empty. Empty of purpose, empty of code, empty of fire. They traded strength for comfort, grit for convenience, and they're drowning in the fog. This isn't just a channel, it is a forge for men who are ready to remember who they are, to rebuild the inner citadel, to sharpen instinct, mind, and mission. We teach Stoicism the way it was meant to be lived, in the arena, not the classroom. Every week, you'll get dispatches that strike like hammers, forge drops to train your clarity and discipline, forgotten lessons from men who never bowed, and field tactics to cut through the chaos. Not self-help, self-command. If you feel the world slipping, then you're done watching it burn from the sidelines. If you felt weak, lost, forgotten, but there's still a spark of fire left inside, then join us. Because you're not broken. You've just been lied to. Subscribe. Forge yourself at Warrior in the Fog TV.